tsaka si Diego. Okay, start! Basa ka na. Marie said to Diego, I have a game. I know a place that I'm sure you can't name. Oh, really? Diego quickly replied, Aray. Well, give me a clue and I'll give it a try. Ano yan? The place I'm thinking of is where I love to sleep. It's warm and it's cozy because of its heat. Say nothing more. Diego stood proud and tall. My skin felt the warmest place of them all. Ano? Uy. In the back of this place, where they cook all the meals, is the warmest of the kitchens. Your cat paws will feel. So the friends snuck right in and got down on the floor, till they crawled to a spot near the red kitchen door. This isn't the place that I had in mind. The warmth that I know is a different kind. This place feels too hot, and it's making me sweat. I'm afraid you don't know my secret place yet.